already got my 50 cc's. Did already the unboxing. Show you guys how it looked. Just come out of the box. Well, today they said the bike's supposed to reach 300 miles. It said 350. All look black. It wasn't black when it reached 300, but now it's like looks like you want to change. So I bought some oil. Bought 2 bottles of oil. But just do change. Today's Friday, August 4th. Yeah. What? Okay, so my bro's mechanic. Press it to the side. Ratchet. Let's see what it will do. Bring the camera a little closer so you could see. So here's my napkin. I got the napkin. I got the spring right here. Take it off. This is a filter. You gotta change these. Depends on how it is. Mine's look pretty good. I'm gonna change it. The gauge right here. Test it. You gotta wipe it off before you put it back on the bike. Got a cover right here. This all came out. So the bolt that you're gonna pull will be right here. It's not that hard to pull. I said earlier, all I need is 17. Okay. Yep. Little peak. So that's all it is. Alright. Okay, so this is how I did it. Got a bottle right here. I didn't have a funnel, so I got a bottle. And this is how you're supposed to do the filter and the spring. Get it focused right. This is how you're supposed to do the filter and the spring. Put it up under the bike. Do it. It's just 17. Okay. With this bottle, it's gonna make sure it's not a correct funnel, so you gotta make sure the bottle sits directly on the hole, and you're gonna sit it there tightly. Okay, now the oil. Yep. Brushing grease. Okay. Here's the second copy. Since I've completed that, take off this. It's my funnel. Got the piece right here. As I said, you gotta make sure clean it before you put it back. Put that back in. Do a test. See how it looks. Again, gotta get the bike straight up. It'll be up for a while.